Hey everyone, welcome to another Horror Dice tutorial. Is there a live paint bucket tool in Affinity Designer? Not exactly, but there is another workaround where you can paint fill your empty vector areas easily. I will show you my method on how to do that. First, duplicate your line art. Click on the symbol with the 3 dots at the top right for a drop-down menu, then select Duplicate. Next, uncheck or hide the top layer line art. This top layer will maintain your strokes, which you can re-edit if you want at a later time. Expand the bottom layer. This will be the layer where you create your paint fills. Select all the layers within by clicking on the first nested layer, then tapping with 2 fingers at the last nested layer. With all the inner layers selected, go back to the same drop-down menu and select Expand Stroke. As you can see, all the stroke lines have turned into shapes. Finally, select Add from the same menu, which would combine your shapes into one outline. This is the same as using the Merge function in Illustrator's Pathfinder tool. Now within the same line art layer, select the rectangle tool and drag a box over your artwork, making sure it covers it completely. You can change the color of the box if you'd like. I will change mine to gray. Now select both nested layers, your outline and the box, and in the same drop-down menu as before, select Divide. This creates individual shapes out of your artwork. For some reason that I don't know, Affinity Designer duplicates the individual shapes when you use the Divide function. No problem. Just select the duplicates with the 2-finger method and pressing Delete, the trash can symbol in the layer panel. Delete the rectangle or box shape and delete or hide the silhouette. What's left are the individual shapes that you can change the color of. For example, I'll change a shape to a different color. He wears a navy jumpsuit, so probably giving it a dark blue color. I am colorblind, so excuse my poor color choices. I guess that looks okay. Now let's give his face some color, something like an off-white tone. You get the idea. Let's go back to the layers panel and unhide the strokes line art that we had before. Let's zoom in here, and you can see that the paint-filled areas may not completely touch or hug against the stroke lines, so you're left with a bit of white. I don't know why Affinity Designer does this, but we can remedy this by adjusting those anchor points with the node tool until you get it to the way you want. So that's how I've been paint filling my artwork using Affinity Designer. If you know a better method, please share. Let me know about it in the comments below. Like and subscribe. And also please support Affinity Designer. They have Photoshop and InDesign software equivalent, and they're cheap, like 40 bucks each. There's no subscription fees. I like what they're doing for those creatives out there or hobbyists who don't want to pay an absurd amount for a drawing program. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.